Remember our last video I showed to you of Parkview, beautiful new construction single-family homes next to Lake Buena Vista and Dr. Phillips here in Orlando? Well, today I'm going to show you the rest of this beautiful project, which is called Old Town West. Hi, I'm Cleberto Copetti. I am real estate broker here in Orlando with Real Estate Compass. And in this channel, you know that we show what's great in Orlando, why the city is so fantastic place for you to work, live, play, and invest. So let's move on there. You know the trick. I'm going to change my screen here, and I am already on Google Earth. So we're going to zoom in, and you know the trick. Click on 3D so you can see your surroundings, and north arrow so that you can have a good orientation. And then you smash that present button. Talking about smashing, smash that like button, if you will, so that other people can enjoy also this brand new project. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. Here we are again. It's Dr. Phillips and Universal Studios on the right side. You have International Drive, you have SeaWorld, and down below here to the left is Disney Spring. West is basically here between I-4 and Apopka Island is a connector avenue called Daryl Carter, which is going to put you from here to there. So in this Old Town West, you're going to have shops, you're going to have single family homes, as I described, Parkview Reserve. There will be apartments, there will be shopping, there will be supermarkets, and so forth and so on, and many restaurants. So let's take just a look at a couple of pictures here. This is the entertainment center that's going to be happening in the Old Town West. Here's some of the area shopping. This is a residential. This is again shopping, and this is the master plan that I want to show to you. See, all the way from I-4 to Apopka Island. Publix, McDonald's, several restaurants here on the right, entertainment, and so forth and so on. And here, some more of the pictures. So coming back here to this area, and just to refresh your memory, if I click on Parkview, it'll show you the snap of the project of Parkview. You remember I did show you the pictures of the proposed single-family homes, and also the picture when I visited the site. The construction is underway. So with that, what I want to do is just show you what model. This is the 3D tour software called Matterport, which I'm going to leave down below here so that you can, at your own pace, take a look at this beautiful model. You can basically walk through this entire house just by clicking the mouse and turning around and forwarding where you see the round balls, round circles. It just shows you the entire house. See the circles? Just follow the circles and you'll see the entire house. This is what I wanted to show you before we do the actual flying over Old Town that you're going to see the little video right now. Stay tuned.